now, may I call on Miss Glory Arroyo.
So, isang read ko sa'yo, alam ko magka-college ka na next week. Magagamit mo ito magka-college mo.
Miss Irish Tan.
Hi Ashanti, this gift will remind you that you are not blooming my sister, but you are now becoming an old woman. Always remember that may the smile of this gift be gracious and precious to your life, and I'm so proud of you. Happy birthday!
Thank you, and now may I call on Miss Kim Jonette.
Birthday, Ashanti. Just like this cake, I hope you carry all of the love with all of the people here wherever you go. Happy birthday.
And now may I call on Mrs. Jane Zayao.
Happy birthday, Ashanti. Wish ko na sa'yo na maging mag-arte na mabuti ka, walang hindi mag-arte ka na dito. Lagi ka mag-iingat. Gabayan mo mga kapatid habang mag-arte. Happy birthday.
And now may I call on Mrs. Asa Tesorero.
Happy birthday, Ashanti. You're a grown-up girl now. Proud na proud ako sa iyo dahil ikaw yung batang responsable para sa mga kapatid mo na nakikita ko yun. Sana pagpatuloy mo yung kindness ng heart mo, magalang, lalo na sa pag-respeto sa akin bilang isang lola. Na hindi mo naman ako tunay na lola, pero kinikonsider niyo akong lola. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ang regalo ko, to follow, ha?
Okay lang.
Alright, thank you. And now may I call on Miss Sofia Ferreras.
Happy birthday, Ash. Yung gift ko sa'yo is sobrang nahirapan ako sa gift na i-gift sa kanya kasi almost everything naman is nasa kanya lang. But sa IG, nag-scroll ako and nakita ko, mahilig ka sa mga room decor and yun. And may extra gift ako sa ko.
Once again, may I call on Mrs. Jennifer Castro. And now may I call on Miss Regina Paglinawa.
Happy birthday, Ashanti. So, yung gift ko sa'yo, hindi yan mawawala kasi may pangalan mo yan. Tapos, alam mo, mahilig ka sa makeup. At follow ka ng makeup, lalo niya sa blush on. Okay? Yan lang, mamaya na ako magbibigay. Birthday.
Thank you, and now may I call on Miss Reshika Gomo.
Hi, Shati. Happy birthday. And ang gift ko sa'yo is, I wish to you remember our friendship and it describes how much you mean to me. And yung wish ko is later na lang. And ayan, happy birthday again.
And now may I call on Miss Kina S. Cunha.
Hi, Shanti. Happy legality. So, my gift for you reminds you to stay refreshed and take care of yourself. Happy birthday.
And now may I call on Miss Eunice Enobero.
Happy legality, Shanti. So, yung gift ko sa'yo parang magsisimulis ng love. So, ngayon ako lang, alam mo lang yung sa'yo. Send ko na lang sa'yo yung message. LSF to, LSF. Happy legality na Shanti.
May I call on Miss Ashley Enobero.
So, happy birthday, Ashanti. Legal age ka na. Parang dati lang grade 10 students tayo ngayon. Tapos ngayon, magka-college na tayo. And yung gift ko na to is na ikaw yung naaalala ko kasi napaka-loving and caring person mo na parang bang hindi siya makulit. And yun lang, happy birthday, Ashanti.
Alright, thank you. And now may I call on Miss Janet Chica.
Ashanti, wait, Vitan, happy birthday sa'yo. Actually, dapat yung regalo ko may kasama pa niyo yan, kaso mapamahiin yung nanay ko. Yun lang, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
And now may I call on Miss Ashley Are you there? And let's have Miss Sophia Ferrer.
Love, happy birthday.
And our main economist Arlen Gidol.
Happy birthday, Shakti. Yung gift ko sa'yo is something na magagamit mo if may lakad ka and favorite color mo siya. And yung message ko sa'yo is that more blessings, more saya, and more opportunities since 1810.
Alright, thank you. And now may I call in Miss Anna May.
Birthday Shanti. So yung gift ko is for you talaga. And yung message ko is, be humble as you.
Alright, thank you. And now may I call in Miss Louise Sampa.
Yung nakapag-check-check sa itin na kasi. Ano na lang, ayoko maiyak tayo pinto na lang. I love you, happy birthday.
Alright, once again, calling the attentions of all 18 treasures, kindly proceed here in front for photo op. Lahat po ng ating 18 treasures, balik po tayo dito for photo op. Once again, calling the attentions of all 18 treasures, kindly proceed here in front for photo op. Ngayon, palakpakan po natin ang ating 18 treasures. And for our next traditions, kindly proceed here at the arc entrance, all 18 plushes. Of all 18 plushes. Once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating 18 plushes. Okay? So this time, you're going to describe our dominant in one word. Hat, sisimulan niya sa hashtag. Okay? Hashtag beautiful. Hashtag gorgeous. Okay? Anything na nag-remind sa ating debutant. Okay? Kindly start here with you. Okay? Start with you, ma'am. Hashtag hard work. Hardworking. Alright, the hashtag hardworking.
Shanti is golden mama. So, hashtag free.
Hashtag pretty.
Hi, Shanti. Hashtag cutie. Hashtag beauty. Hashtag magaling mag-calligraphy. Hashtag kabog. Hashtag baboy.
Hashtag slave. Hashtag thoughtful.
Hashtag cinnamon. Hashtag kape.
Hashtag swan. Hashtag runner.
Hashtag supportive.
Alright, so this time, let's have a photo op. Once again, palapakan po natin ang 18 blushes. Okay, so isa-isa niya ibibigay. Let's have first a photo op. Photo op po muna tayo, picture.
Tanong mo siya, Teko. Okay na, pwede na.
Okay, ito ang gagawin ng ating 18 flushes, no? What you're going to do is to bring me. Okay, bring me. Kayo lang pong 18 ang kasali sa ating bring me. Once na meron na kayong item, ibibigay niyo po yan sa ating dabitan. Kung sino una, okay, unang makakakuha ng item. Okay, let's have item number 1. Bring me a cell phone with the lowest battery percentage. Ready, go! Ready, go! Okay, 1. 2. Sige, yung 2. Check. Ang unang nagbigay, ito, 16. 12. 12. Okay, eto na. Okay, we have the winner. Okay, sino po itong 12% na? Ayan, mag-charge ka na ha. Mag-charge ka na later on. Okay, you will receive a salon package. Okay, kindly, open mo lang yung salon package. Open it. Open. Salon package. Coming pa. Okay, yan. Dahil sa meron kang shampoo. Shampoo nga. Salon nga eh. Okay. So now, let's have item number 2. Let's have, bring me a lipstick that almost empty. A lipstick that almost empty. Almost empty. Next team. Okay, almost empty. Almost empty. Ano? Marami mo ba? Sige, huwag kayo dito. Yung tatlong mo lang nauna. Tatlong nauna. Okay, sige. Check it down with Ann. Okay, dito kayo. Huwag kayo mag-ano. Yan. Proceed kayo dito. Para kita ko din. Move kayo mo. And then here. Come here. Move. Ayan. Okay. Eto. Sino nagdala nito? Ayan. Ang dahil dyan. Yung almost no? Wala na talaga. Let's have kitchen package. Congratulations. And kitchen package. At dahil dyan, kitchen package sa'yo. Dito ka. Okay, open it. Open your kitchen package. You will receive. Ayan. Tayo asukay. Congratulations. And for our next item number 3. Item number 3. Bring me an ATM card. Ready, go. 10. ATM card. Ayaw na sumali na. ATM card. ATM. Okay, we have the winner. BPI ATM card. At tayo dyan, may ATM ka na. Okay, congratulations. You will receive a relaxing package. Okay, sige na. Tignan natin kung ikaw ay makaka-relax sa package na bibigay ng ating celebrant. You will receive efficacy. Alright, habang buhay, matagal na relaxation package. And for our last item, bring me 1,000 peso bill. Ready, go! 1,000 peso bill. Oh, wait. Okay. Asa na? 2. Oh, dali. Asa na? 1K. 1K. Oh, 3. Oh, wala na? Asa na? Okay, you will receive 3,000 pesos. Joke lang. Sino ba yung nauna? Si ate? Si sir? Come here, sir. You will receive a package, of course. Okay, you will receive a Starbucks package. Okay. Hindi, dito na. Open natin yan. Okay, open your Starbucks. Okay, dahil dyan, meron kang coffee call. Congratulations. Nasa ngayon? Balikin 1K. Ay, ayaw di mo, mayaman. Okay, nasa niyo nagbili ng 1K? 1K yung isa. And sister. Once again, palampakan po natin ang ating 18 flushes. And of course, wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's ask, of course, may I call on our 18 wishes. Let's start with our first Miss Universe. May I call on Miss Sofia Ferreras. Miss Jenny Diana. Miss Rita Ayamso. And of course, may I call on Miss Janet Daza. And let's have Miss Rosel Marugan. May I call on Miss Romana Paginawa. Angela, Austria. And our very modern Miss Rashida Pampanga. And of course, magpapahuli ba, last but not the least, Miss Isa Gilles. Alright, once again, palakpakan po namin ang ating 18 wishes. Alright, syempre, dahil kayo ang 18 wishes, of course, no? Let's have a wish.
Hello, na-miss kita, babe. Okay. So, first of all, happy birthday, Ashanti. You know, we've been friends for so long, and despite not being able to talk every day, we remain close, and yung bond natin, it really disappeared. And I'm grateful for that. You know, one thing that I like about you is that kahit you've experienced many hardships in your life, you stayed resilient and you're strong. And as we go to adulthood, marami ka pang may experience and discover that. So, with that, my wish for you is that you continue to be strong and never give up if problems go through your way. And that you always choose yourself and happiness no matter where life takes you. And kami mga friends mo dito, we'll be here with you along every step you take. So that's all. Happy birthday, Ashanti. Enjoy it.
Okay, na-miss kita. Happy birthday. Yeah, right. Happy birthday, and ang wish ko lang sa'yo is sana marami pang mag-open opportunities sa'yo along your way that it will make you grow, and sana mas marami ka pang makilalang tao na magpapapit sa'yo that you're beautiful and you have purpose.
Happy birthday, Ashanti. So, wish ko lang, sana hindi ka magbago sa amin kahit may bagong circle ka na. And siyempre, malapit na tayo mag-college. Mababalo na naman tayo. And super thankful ako na naging kaibigan kita. Hindi ko in-expect na naging kaklase ko yung nakikita ko lang dati sa tahian. And sana maging successful tayo pagdating ng panahon. Kayanin mo nga yung breakup kasi graduating din tayo na magiging nurse ka pa. Thank you for everything you've done to me. Kahit simple thing pa yan, super happy ako. Happy birthday.
Happy regalo ko siya to. Can't believe how far we come since grade 10. From chikahan to sleepovers, every moment with you has been special. Kahit nabihira lang tayo magkita, nothing changed. Still the one I can love with gratitude and trust always. So proud of you, and I'm always here for you. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Ashanti. Sobrang proud ako sa kararating mo. Kahit malayo pa, pero malayo na. Sana sana hindi ka magbago sa friendship natin. And sobrang thankful ako na nakilala kita. Dahil kaya mo.
First of all, happy birthday, Ashanti. Thank you for inviting us today, and sa mga memories natin, and cherish those moments, and hope for a better future for you, and sana wish ka nurse ka pa, and sana mas mataas pa din yung mga tingin mo. Ganang. Joke lang.
Kindly move here, no? Proceed kayo, harap kayo dito sa audience. Huwag kayo humalikan, okay? Kindly proceed here in front. Hindi ka, yan. And then you also, move, yan. Okay, move kayo doon, move. And then, yan. Okay.
And sana yung malala hinahanap mo is hindi na pati.
Happy birthday, Ashanta. I know we met unexpectedly and I didn't expect that our friendship is still going strong until now. You are the one who's always there for me and you never fail to support me. I wish you all the best and I know na kahit sobrang hirap and big club like sabay-sabay mga school works and everything, I hope you don't doubt yourself. Always remember na I'm always here for you. Hello, Ash. We're officially 18 and hindi mo kasi sasabihin sa akin na 18 ka na and thank you for inviting us today into your special day. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is yung safety mo and sana maraming opportunities na mag-open sa'yo and love na love kita.
Happy birthday, Santi. Wish ko lang para matapos tayo ng marriage. And sana mas marami kang blessing sa dumating sa buhay mo. Saka sana mas nagtagal yung friendship natin. Yun na, I love you.
Happy birthday! Sana, pag-tapos natin ng college, maraming opportunities kayo din. Magandang trabaho na dumating. Thank you for inviting me and kahit malayo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tango Miko. Happy birthday. Thank you na yung dahil kita dahil ganda mo, ang bait mo, responsible mo, and sana hindi talaga. Yung talagang pangito. Tapos, sana magtagal tayo as a friend. And, sana, ayun. Thank you.
Happy 18th birthday, Shanti. Kahit anong mangyari sa kakayaan mo, kakayaan sa sarili mo. Always take care of yourself. Love ka namin, and sana kaya natin yung friends namin. Yung friends yung happy.
Happy birthday, Shanti. Una sa lahat, I didn't expect na may imbitahan mo ako kasi kapag kaibigan tayo, pero I didn't think na gano'n tayo ka-close. Pero siguro dahil mapa sa grouping sa grade 11, hindi na tayo nagpapahiwalay. Hindi naman sa nagre-reklamo ako, pero hindi na. Pero biniwish ko ako na sa OJT, magkasama tayo. Ayun, thank you for always being so kind to us, being so hearted to us. And wish ko sana hindi magbago yun. Pero sana you wouldn't let anyone take advantage of that. And happy birthday!
Happy birthday at Friday. So, well, basically, nung in-invite mo ako, hindi ko alam na part ako ng 18 years mo. So, it took me a lot of courage para magsalita here in front of you. And, kung wish ko lang, simple lang. Yung wish ko para sa'yo is yung wish mo, basically, gusto ko lang matibad mo yung wish mo. And, so, sama na din, hopefully yung success mo sa future, yung health mo. Yun yung inaano ko din sa'yo, yung health mo. Ingatan mo kasi sa classroom, ang funny mo, nagtanong ka ko sa'yo, sana lang yun. Kasi ikaw yung isa ka sa classroom na nagpapasaya talaga sa akin. And sana, gawin mo ingatan yung friends mo, ingatan mo din yung sarili mo. Yan na, happy birthday. Happy ni Daddy.
Happy birthday, Ashanti. Ang wish ko sa'yo, ay wish ko nila. Kasi lahat sila nila. So, ayun, dahil adult ka na, siguro wish ko sa'yo, sana huwag mong sayangin yung mga opportunity na dadating sa'yo. At sana asikasuhin mo rin yung mga SSS mo, gano'n. Kasi matanda ka na. Alam ko ng kausap mo ngayon, kung sino sabihin. Yun lang happy birthday. Wala, lahat sinabi na nila eh.
Hala, I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Ashanti. Nalate pa ako kasi alam mo na. Pero yun, ang wish ko lang sa'yo is ngayon matupad yung mga wish mo rin and for your future to be successful po. And Hindi na siya. And ayun nga sabi ni Daddy Rice, huwag mong sinasayin mga opportunities na dumadating sa'yo. Iwasan natin mahiya. And ayun lang, I love you so much. Happy legality. Happy birthday sa wish ko lang sa'yo since malapit tayo maghiwalay sa college. Sana pag nagkaroon ka ng kaibigan sa college mo, sana pa inumin ka ng tubig. Sana pa inumin ka ng tubig dahil tamad ka magdala ng tumbler. And sana huwag mo na maiwan at mawala yung mga pahinyo mo kasi malamang ang dami mo ng pahinyo mawawala. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, your laughter may sound weird, pero sana kahit sa mga maliliit o malaking bagay, sana mamuha mo pa rin tumawa kahit puro ka ng paghihirap o problema, nandito lang ako rin para sa'yo. Happy birthday, I love you so much. Happy birthday, Ashanti. While I was waiting for my turn, I realized a lot of things. And na-remember ko yung the first time that we talked. And isa doon is yung talagang nag-deep talks tayo. You've told me a lot of things about yourself and it was really nice that you were able to be vulnerable sa akin. Tapos, seeing you right now growing as a person, I'm really happy and I'm looking forward to the things that you can take, that you can do pa. And wish ko lang sa'yo is, ang wish ko sa'yo is, I hope everything would work out for you. Keep yourself safe, believe that everything happens for a reason, and always remember, if you don't take risks, you don't take future. So, always let yourself be the positive side. See the positive in everything and everywhere. Tapos, in order for that, you need your highest version of yourself. Sobrang proud ako as your president right now. Hindi man tayo sobrang lagi magkasama, pero I'm really happy that I'm seeing you and I'm part of this event na mayroon kang lang. And I would gladly remember this in the long run. And actually, I will be crying if ever maghiwalay na tayo. But, all of things, basta, alam mo na, thank you. And I'm really happy that I met you as one of my friends. Thank you.
Alright, once again, palapakan po natin ang ating 18 wishes. Okay, can we proceed now? Lahat na ba nakapag-wish na sa ating gabitan? Since lahat, can we proceed din for photo op, no? Center tayo ulit. Okay, picture tayo. 18 wishes.
Pode sentar. E se tiver muito excitada, pode dançar pelada. Se tiver muito excitada.
Alright, thank you so much. No, pwede na ba tayong umupo? Outside of the venue. Okay, once again, our photo booth is now officially open to have your souvenir together with our government Ashanti. Alright, thank you so much. Table number 5, please be ready for photo op. Table number 5. Table number 6, please be ready. Okay, please be ready, table number 9. Ayun ako. And
Kaway, kaway. Sama ka, Mark. Sama ka dito. Hindi, video to, video. Video.
Kaway-kaway sa mga Sharon.
Gulay-gulay.
Tinatago na nga namin, nahuli pa kami.
Gulay-gulay sa camera.
Talaga kuya, oh. Kain ng ano yan,
Kaway.
matanda na tayo.
Kaway kayo, Ti.
Birthday siya, birthday siya.
Oh, live. Sharon! Sharon!
Sharon!
Para kilala. Saan pa ako ikot?
Kuya, pangilan na to? Pang-5 na.
Panganib pa lang. Ikot na lang ako, ikot.
360 pa na tayo.
Oh, 360 yan. Okay kayo sa video.
Naiya ako.
Camera shy.
Naiya ako niya. Natagos nga ako sa ano.
Hello po. Anong message mo? May message ka? Anong message? Hindi ba? May message ka, di ba?
Happy birthday, Shanti. Happy birthday, Shanti. Si Nico, enjoyin mo na ngayon. Kasi uwi ko na siya mamaya. Trial card lang tayo yun. Mga araw. Limit time. Tsaka,
Dear Shanti, inom tayo sa susunod. Ano po naman?
ayun po. Oh. Di ba,
Okay daw po, ano po number na araw?
Sino doon? Anong kulay na yun?
Singkit doon. Yung singkit po naman.
tayo, oh.
Matamos singkit po. Opo.
Ganda bang loko ito to?
Araw po yan. Hindi kulot. Dalawa kami tinutulungan tayo kanina kanina.
Naka-tuxedo.
Ah, yung atin kanina nandito kanina kuya. Ay, ito yung. Ito yung.
Papuntay ko dito mamaya.
Ayan ang restaurant.
May nagre-request. Message.
Once again, congratulations to our official
Sabi na nag-delete ko sa'yo. Delete out daw. Delete out.
Hi, Ashanti. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Sino ba?
Hello, Shanti. Happy birthday. I hope you had an amazing day and you really love your day today. And sana a lot of good things will happen pa sa'yo. And please always keep in mind to be positive.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, te. Secret na. Kaya mo na yun. Sa'yo lang dapat. Secret lang. Sa'yo lang dapat.
Kanya lang. Meron pa.
Shut up.
Ay, ikaw yun.
Yeah, but syempre ito naman.
Sorry din niya, Shanti. Yun lang. Mamaya din namin greetings. Mamaya din greetings ko din.
Happy birthday, Katie.
Thank you.
Thank you po kaya. Dito po.
Dito daw. Message.
Hi Ashanti, thank you for inviting us to your birthday. Happy birthday po.
Happiest birthday, Ashanti. I love
Thank you
you.
po.
Happiest birthday, Ashanti. Thank you for inviting me here.
Thank you, Joy. Good. Pangilap. Huli. Dami ko nauuli, may nag-take out pa. Oh, picture.
Meron doon po. Pwede po.
Ay, kinikilig.
Ay, cut off na. Dito na lang.
What is the capital full name? Ano po ang buong pangalan? Dito tayo. Okay. Ano po ang full name? Okay, sige, let's try. What is the full name of our Davila?
Shanti Fatal.
Ashanti Fatal. Is kulang. Okay, ano ba ang full name ng ating Davila?
Ashanti Fatal.
Wala na po.
Okay, ano ang full name ng ating Davidan?
Ashanti Faye Maliohotan.
Congratulations! And for our next trivia question, what is the Davidan favorite food? Saan may pinakamaingan na table number? Saan? Okay, let's have here. Ano po ang favorite color ng ating David Chan?
Dalawa.
Choose one.
Yung pink po.
Pink is wrong. ng ating dagitan?
Color blue po.
Color blue. Okay, I'll give you another question. Color blue. Dark or light? Are you sure?
Yes.
Sure that?
Yes.
Sure na sure?
Sure.
That is correct! Okay, congratulations.
I need you to
Next, for our trivia question, what is the Davidan dream country? Ano mo ang dream country? Anong bansa po ang gusto ng puntahan? Okay, ano ba ang dream country ng ating Davidan?
Japan po.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, that is correct! Congratulations! And next, what is the Davidan favorite genre in movie? Ano po ang favorite genre ng ating Davidan? Ano ang favorite genre? Ano? Saan may pinakain ng table number? Saan? Kaya mo yan! Dali! Kaya mo yan! Saan may pinakain ng table number? At dahil nag-iisa siya, gusto niya sumagot. Okay, ano po ang favorite genre ng ating Davidan? Korean movie is wrong. Okay, let's try. So, ano ang favorite genre? Oh, dito tayo. Sige. Wala, hindi natin yan. Ito na lang. Ano ang favorite genre ng ating Davidan? Horror. Ano yung horror? Gusto mo yung itsura na horror? Ayaw mo! Okay, horror is Okay, next trivia question. What is the Davidan favorite food? Ano ang paborito ng ating Davidan? Saan may pinakain ng table number? Ito, dito tayo. Sige, ito na. Pagpilihan natin yung mga ito. Okay, sige. Ano ang favorite food ng ating Davidan?
Chicken po.
Are you sure chicken?
Yes.
Anong part ng chicken?
Stick.
Anong part ng chicken? That is correct! Chicken po. Ang salo. Ayan sila, oh. Grabe, oh. Okay, last two tayo. Who is the Davidan Korean celebrity crush? Ano? Table number 7! Okay, table number 7. Sige dito. Table number 7. Sino po ang Korean celebrity crush ng ating Davidan?
Si Pion Musok po.
Beyond USA. That is correct! Congratulations! Okay, congrats! And of course, last trivia question. What is the Davidan favorite character in Sanrio? Sino ba ang Gusto ko dito, tahimik dito eh. Since last number na to, ano po? Sige, guess lang tayo. Sino po ang favorite character ni Davidan? No, sa character ni Sanrio? What is the Davidan favorite character in Sanrio? Guess lang po, guess lang. Sino po?
Hello Kitty daw.
Hello! Dito tayo. Okay. Guess lang po. Okay, ano po? What is the debutant favorite character in Sanrio?
Sino mo rin?
Okay, that is correct! Congratulations! Alright, once again, congratulations po sa lahat ng nanalo sa ating trivia question.